Okay, we're here at Circa, which is one of Thompson Station's historic sites that is now a well-known restaurant, so we're gonna check it out. Let's go. We're here with Jeff, the manager at Circa. Jeff, will you tell us a little bit about the history of this restaurant and what it's known for?
Yeah, so we've been around for going on 10 years now in October. It started as a Cajun restaurant, and it has slowly evolved to more of a sophisticated Southern casual fine dining. Back in the day, before my time, this little area was the entire town of Thompson Station.
Wow.
Yeah.
It has grown.
Yeah.
Well, we're here to try your food and some cocktails,
Yeah,
so let's go check it out.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Yeah.